Hello student, in today's class we are going to discuss problem based on ages theory part. Now the indexes is introduction of the problem based on ages, types of questions and some examples 1 to 7. Now there is a disclaimer, the images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concern or issues, please contact us at sathee@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. Now introduction of this chapter. So this chapter is an extension of the chapter ratio and proportion and average. In fact, this chapter deals with a specific type of question which can be solved quickly using linear equation of one variable. If the present age of A is X year, then her age M year ago was X minus M year, and her age after N year will be X plus N year. Next, if age of a person N1 year ago was X1 year, then after N2 year, his age will be X plus N1 plus N2 year. If the age of a person after N1 year will be X year, then his age N2 year ago will be X minus N1 minus N2 year. Next, if the sum of the age of N person is S year, then sum of their ages M year ago was S minus M into N year. Next one is, if sum of the ages of N person is S year, then sum of their ages after M year will be S plus M into N year. Next one. Types of question. So word problem on ages, question based on ratio of ages, question based on average ages. Now see the example. First one is 5 years ago, age of Vinay was 1/3 of that of Vikas and present age of Vinay is 17 years. What is the present age of Vikas? You have 5 options. A is 30, B is 15, C is 21, D is 28, E is none of these. Now see the solution. So we need to understand the question. Question says that 5 years ago, Vinay was 1/3 of that of the age of Vikas and present age of Vinay is 17. So Vinay's present age is given and it is given that Vinay was 5 years ago 1/3 of the age of Vikas. So correct answer of this question is 41. Now see the solution. So we know that the present age of Vinay is 17. So 5 years ago will become, so 5 years ago Vinay age will be 17 minus 5, so we can say that 12 years. Now we know that Vinay age 5, Vikas age is 3 times of the Vinay age 5 years ago. So we can say that 5 years ago Vikas age will become 3 into 12, which is equals to 36 years. Now the question is, what is the present age of Vikas? So this is the 5 years ago age. So we just add the 5 years. So 36 plus 5 become 41 years. So Vikas present age is 41 years. C is the correct answer. Next. The difference of ages of A and B is 16 years. 16 years ago, A's age is 3 times that of B. The present age of A is, you have 5 options. A is 18, B is 40 years, C is 25 years, D is 30 years, E is none of these. Now see the solution. So the answer of this question is B, which is 40 years. Now see the solution. So first we need to understand the question. Question says that difference between A and B's age is 16 years. It is given in the question. Now second information is given is 16 years ago of A's present age is 3 times through that of B. So we can say that. Now see the solution. So we let it A's present age is X year. So B's present age will become X minus 16 because the difference between A's and B's age is given 16 years. So if A is X year, so B will become X minus 16 years. Now according to question, X minus 16 is equals to 3 times of X minus 32. We can say that because when we subtract 16 more and 3 times, so we can compare it. X minus 16 equals to 3 times of X minus 32. So X minus 16 becomes equals to 3X minus 96. So we got 2X equals to 40, 80. So we can say that X become 40 year. So A's present age is 40 year. B is the correct answer. Next one. A mother's age is 4 times that of his son. 8 years before, the mother's age was 16 times that of the son. Mother's age is, you have 5 options. A is 40 years, B is 35 years, C is 42 years, D is 36 years, and E is none of these. Now see the solution. So the correct answer of this question is A is 40 years. Now first we need to understand this question. So question says that a mother's age is 4 times to that of his son in present. Now it is given that 8 years before the mother age was 16 times of that of the son. So let's see the solution. So let the age of the son is x. So what will be the mother age will become? So then the mother age will become 4x year in present. Now before 8 year. So we can say that son's age will become 8x minus 8 and mother's age will become 4x minus 8. Now according to question, we can say that 4x minus 8 equals to 16 into x minus 8 because it is given that 16 times. So we got it 4x minus 8 equals to 16x minus 128. So when we solve it, we got 12x equals to 120 or x equals to 10. So mother's age will be, so mother's age is 4x. So when we use x value which is 10, so we got the mother's age which is 40 years. So A is the correct answer. Next example. The ratio of the age of father to that of son is 7:3. If the sum of their ages is 60 years, then the difference of their age is, you have 5 options. A is 18 years, B is 24, C is 32, D is 30, E is none of these. Now you have 5. So you have 5 options. So we can see the solution. So the correct answer of this question is 24. Now see the solution. First we need to understand the question. In the question it is given that the ratio of the father and son age is 7:3. And it is also given that if the sum of their ages is 60 years. So see the solution. So let the father age is 7x, age of son is 3x. So we can say that according to question, 7x plus 3x equals to 60 years. So 10x becomes 60. So we got x equals to 6 years. Now we can calculate the age of father and son. So age of son will become 6 into 3 which is equals to 18 years. And father age will become 6 into 7 which is equals to 42 years. Now the question is the difference of their ages is. Now father is 42 years, son is 18 years. So the difference is, so the required difference is 42 minus 18 which is equals to 24 years. So B is the correct answer. Next one. The ages of X and Y are in the ratio of 9:4. 7 years hence, the ratio of their ages will be 5:3. The age of X is, you have 5 options. A is 8 years, B is 18 years, C is 26 years, D is 52 years, and E is none of these. Now see the solution of this question. So the correct answer of this question is B, which is 18 years. Now first we need to understand the question. Question says that the ratio of X and Y of the present age is 9:4. So we can let the age of X is 9x and age of Y is 4x. 7 years hence, it means after 7 years, the ratio of their ages become 5:3. So we can compare it. It means 9x plus 7 upon 4x plus 7 is equals to 5:3. So we can calculate the value of X age. So see the solution. So let X and Y ages as 9x and 4x. So then we can say that 9x plus 7 upon 4x plus 7 equals to 5/3. Now we can cross multiplying these equations. So we get 3 into in the bracket 9x plus 7 equals to 5 into 4x plus 7. So when we solve, we got 27x plus 21 equals to 20x plus 35, which is equals to 7x equals to 35 minus 21, which is equals to 14. So we got x equals to 2. Now the question is, what is the age of x? So we know that age of x is 9x. So hence the age of x become 9 into 2, which is 18 years. So B is the correct answer. Next one. The average age of 6 children is 7 years. If their father's age is taken into account, the average age increased by 5 years. Father's age is, you have 5 options, 42 years, B is 44 years, C is 48 years, D is 56 years, E is none of these. Now see the solution. So the correct answer of this question is A, 42 year. Now we need to understand the question. The average age is given of 6 children, which is 7 years. So we can calculate the sum of total ages of 6 children, which is become 6 into 7. Now, if their father's age is taken into account, the average increased by 5. So every person increased by 5 years. So what will be the father age? Now see the solution. So the given that average age of 6 children is 7 years. Now sum of the age of 6 children will become 7 into 6, which is 42 years. Now sum of the age of 6 children and their father become 7 member will become. So 7 plus 5 into 7, which is equals to 84 years. Now the age of father will be 84 minus 42 year, which is 42 year. So father age is 42 year. A is the correct answer. Next one. 10 years ago, the average age of the family of 4 member was 24 years. 2 children have been born. The average age of the family is same today. The sum of the ages of the 2 children is, you have 5 options. A is 6 year, B is 8 year, C is 10 year, D is 15 year, and E is none of these. Now see the solution. So the correct answer of this question is B, which is 8 year. Clear? Now we need to understand this question. Now question says that 10 years ago, the average age of family of 4 member was 24 years. So we can calculate the total age of 4 members. Now 2 children have been born. The average age of the family is same now at present. So the sum of their ages is, now see the solution. So 10 years ago, the total age of 4 member is 4 into 24, which is equals to 96 years. Now total age of 4 member at present will become 96 plus 10 into 4, which is equals to 136 years. So the total age of 4 plus 2, which is equals to 6. Now member will be 6. So 6 into 24, which is equals to 144 years. Total age. So total age of 2 children will become 144 minus 136, which is equals to 8 years. Now the answer of the question is the sum of the ages of 2 children is 8 years. B is the correct answer. Thank you.